What's up, y'all? Jason checking in here. Arrma Kraton 8S, running it on 15S with the MGM ESC and Castle 2028, 800 kV. Got some Gone Bananas racer skins on here. Last video you saw this doing cartwheels, flying in the air and all types of stuff. Did 121 on one pass crash, 118 on one and it lifted in the air, and a 120 third clean pass. Just some adjustments. Let's see how she does today. Track, start, stop, read, track, start. Yeah, hopefully she does good today, man. I don't know. You never know. All right. Let's go for it. Stop, read. 124. That's not bad at all, bad. Do PB for this. But yeah, she did 124 miles an hour. There it is right there, 124. So, I mean, if you want, we could do one more pass. If you want, we could do one more pass. That was 124 and 3,700 feet total. So that run was under 1,800 feet. Whatever. All right, cool. So we'll do one more pass. All right, we'll leave it on. We'll do one more pass. Track. Start. Stop. Read. Track. Start. We'll just do one more and then we gotta get up out of here and then we'll be back. See what that was. Stop, read, 123. So she's running pretty good, man. She's running pretty good. Shell underneath real quick. There it is. MGM EC, Castle 2028. 800 kV, WFO mod 1.5 gearing, running 15S. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all take it easy. Peace.